Hello, I'm Pushkar and I'm discussing KVPY 2020 SX Paper 1 in chemistry. Here is a question which belongs to the chapter Ionic Equilibrium. A weak acid is titrated with a weak base. Consider the following statement regarding the pH of the solution at the equivalence point. pH depends on the concentration of acid and base. pH is independent of the concentration of acids and base. pH depends on the pK of acids and pKb of base. And pH is independent of pK of acid and pKb of base. What are the correct statements? So, regarding this question, first we made ourselves clear that what is the titration looks like. Weak acid is titrated, that means you're adding weak base. Suppose your weak acid is Ha or this is Ha, and suppose your weak base is BOH. So they are going to react and they are going to form what? Obviously, A minus B plus aqueous plus H2O. They are going to form this. And the equilibrium constant of this can be easily arrived at is equal to Kw upon K into Kb. The equilibrium constant of this is equals to K into Kb, and which is also called the hydrolysis constant. Okay. In these cases, when we solve the problem, we are aware of this fact that if they have the equal concentrations, that means Ha and BOH is equal concentrations, let's call the concentrations C and C, then we assume that their ionizations are the same. That's a fantastic assumption. And this approximation helps in tackling this problem. And this approximation is quite valid as long as the concentration is appreciable. So Kw upon solving it, Kw upon K into Kb can be written as x square upon C minus x whole square, and which simplifies to x upon C minus x is equal to under root of Kw upon K into Kb. You attack this problem. And since x upon C minus x is nothing but the concentration, the ratio of concentration of A negative at equilibrium divided by Ha at equilibrium, and this is also going to be equal to Ka divided by H plus. Very interesting. K divided by H plus. So we can simply say that K divided by H plus is equals to under root of Kw upon K into Kb. So if we write this expression, we get Kw upon K into Kb under root of this is equal to K divided by H plus. And if we solve this expression, then this gives us H plus is equal to under root of Kw into K divided by Kb. That is the expression for the H plus, and then you can convert it into the pH, and pH is given by pH is equals to half pKw plus pKa minus pKb. That is the expression. And the most interesting thing in this expression is that you could not see the concentration. You could not see the initial concentration of the acid or base. So this situation arises at the equivalence point. When you are at the equivalence point, not when you are beginning. In the beginning, when the BOH was added to the HA, a small portion of HA is converted into A negative and BOH is completely neutralized. At that point of time, the solution is a buffer solution. But slowly, when you reach the equivalence point, at the equivalence point, HA and BOH will be completely neutralized and they will form A negative and B positive. So at the equivalence point, we can say that is the pH. And since in this question we have been asking pH depends on the concentration of acid and base at the equivalence point, so obviously we are answering at the equivalence point. So pH is dependent on the concentration of acid and base. No, we could see that there is no concentration term. So this is an incorrect option. pH is independent of the concentration of acid and base. That's a correct option. pH depends on the pK of acid and pKb of base. Of course, that's also a correct option. And fourth is pH is independent of pK of acid and pKb of base. So that is an incorrect option. So the answer is something which is related to. So only 2 and 3 is the correct option. So I hope that you understand this. For detailed discussion of many such questions, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.